Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we have a fun and relaxing English story for you. It's about two friends, Sam and Ellie, who meet up and go to a cafe together. Through their friendly conversation, you'll learn many useful phrases for daily life, like how to order food, make small talk, and say goodbye naturally in English. We'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen, understand, and even shadow along. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's join Sam and Ellie on their cafe adventure.
Hi, Allie.
Hey, Sam. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for meeting me today.
Of course. I'm excited. Are you ready to go to the cafe?
Yes, let's go. It's not far from here.
Perfect. I heard the coffee there is really good.
Me too. I can't wait to try it.
By the way, have you had breakfast yet?
Yes, I had toast and eggs. You?
Just some fruit. That's why I want a muffin.
Good idea. Let's go.
The weather is nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
I love this kind of weather. It's great for walking.
Me too. So, what did you do last weekend?
I stayed home and watched some movies. How about you?
I went to the park with my family. It was fun.
That sounds nice. What did you do at the park?
We had a picnic and played frisbee.
Oh, I love picnics. The weather was good last weekend, too.
Yes, it was beautiful. We were very lucky.
So, have you been to this cafe before?
No, this is my first time. You?
Same here. My friend recommended it to me. She said it's really good.
What did she say about it?
She said the coffee is amazing and the atmosphere is really relaxing.
That sounds perfect. I need a relaxing place today.
Me too. I've been so busy this week.
What were you busy with?
Work projects and some studying. It was a long week.
I understand. Let's enjoy our time today then.
Absolutely. Oh, look, there it is.
Wow, it looks cozy. Let's go in.
Okay. It smells so good in here.
I know, right? I love the smell of coffee.
Me too. And look at the plants. They're beautiful.
Yes, this place is really nice. Where should we sit?
How about that table by the window?
Perfect. I love sitting by the window.
This is comfortable.
Here's the menu. Let's take a look.
Okay. Wow, they have a lot of options.
They have hot drinks, cold drinks, and lots of food, too.
I see some sandwiches, pastries, and desserts.
What are you going to have?
I'm not sure yet. The latte looks good. Maybe a latte? What about you?
I think I'll get a cappuccino and maybe a cookie.
That sounds good. I want something to eat too. Maybe a muffin?
Good idea. Which muffin do you want?
The blueberry muffin looks delicious.
Yeah, I saw that one. It looks really fresh.
Okay, so you're getting a cappuccino and a cookie, right?
Yes, a medium cappuccino, I think.
Got it. I'll get a small hot latte And a blueberry muffin then.
Perfect. We're ready.
Yeah, let's call the server.
Hi there. Welcome. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. We'd like 1 medium cappuccino and 1 chocolate chip cookie and 1 small hot latte with a blueberry muffin.
Perfect. So that's 1 medium cappuccino, 1 small hot latte, 1 chocolate chip cookie, and 1 blueberry muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. That'll be ready in about 5 minutes. I'll bring them to your table.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
I'm so excited. The food here looks delicious.
I agree. So, how's work these days?
It's busy, but good. I have a big project right now.
Oh, really? What kind of project?
It's a marketing project for a new product. It's challenging, but interesting.
That sounds cool. When do you finish it?
Next month, I think. There's still a lot to do.
I hope it goes well.
Thanks. What about you? How's your job?
It's going well. I'm teaching English to some new students.
That's great. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I love it. The students are very motivated.
How many students do you have?
Right now, I have about 15 students.
Wow, that's a lot. Is it difficult?
Sometimes, but it's very rewarding. I love seeing them improve.
That's wonderful. Do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. Maybe I'll go shopping or see a movie. How about you?
I might visit my parents. I haven't seen them in a while.
That sounds nice. Where do they live?
They live in the countryside, about 2 hours from here.
Oh, that's not too far. Do you visit them often?
I try to visit once a month, but sometimes I'm too busy.
Family time is important.
Definitely. Oh, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like reading and playing the guitar. You?
I enjoy cooking and hiking.
Cooking. What do you like to cook?
I like making pasta and trying new recipes.
That's awesome. You'll have to cook for me sometime.
Sure, I'd love to. Do you cook?
A little bit, but I'm not very good at it.
That's okay. Cooking is fun to learn.
Here you go. 1 medium cappuccino, 1 small latte, 1 chocolate chip cookie, and 1 blueberry muffin. Enjoy!
Thank you so much.
Wow, this looks amazing.
It really does. Look at the art on my cappuccino.
Oh, it's a heart. That's so pretty.
I know. Let me try it. It's delicious.
How is it?
It's perfect. Not too strong, not too weak. The milk is very smooth. How's your latte?
It's so good. Very smooth and creamy. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. How's the muffin?
It's fresh and soft, really tasty, and there are so many blueberries.
That's great. Let me try my cookie. Ooh, wow, this is amazing. The chocolate chips are so good. It's still warm.
Warm cookies are the best.
This cafe is great. We should come here more often.
Absolutely. Can I take a picture of my coffee?
Of course. Let me take one too.
This will look great on Instagram.
Definitely. Should we take a picture together?
Yes, let's take a selfie.
This was so nice. Should we get the check?
Yes, let's do that. I'm getting full. Excuse me, can we have the check, please?
Thank you. Let's see. How much is it?
Let me check. The total is $18.
Okay,
Should we split it?
Yes, let's split it. That's $9 each.
Sounds good. Do you have cash or card?
I have cash. Here's my $9.
Perfect. I'll pay with my card.
You too. Thank you. That was such a great time.
I agree. The coffee was excellent, and I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too. It was so relaxing. I feel much better now.
Same here. We should do this again soon.
Definitely. Maybe next weekend?
Sounds perfect. I'll text you.
Great. What day is good for you?
Maybe Saturday afternoon.
Saturday works for me.
Awesome. Thanks for coming today, Sam.
Thank you for inviting me, Ellie. I had so much fun.
Me too. Well, I should get going now.
Me too. I have some shopping to do.
Okay. Take care.
You too. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks. See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed this simple and relaxing English story. Did you notice how many natural phrases you can use in your own conversations? If you listen to stories like this every day, your English will improve little by little, naturally and confidently. We'll keep making more slow and clear English stories to help you practice. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye for now.